Today I'm going to show you a little bit about your map database in SuiteCX, how to get to it, and then some of the things that you can do once you are on your map database so that you can optimize how you use it. So I'm logged into my project right now and I'm on my inventory. From inventory, there's a shortcut to the map database, and it looks actually like a trifold. It's in the upper right-hand corner here, and it says map database. If you hover over it, go ahead and select that, and it will take you to this table view of all the maps that you've already created within your project. So it'll give you some top-line information like the title of your map, who created it and when it was created. It'll also tell you how many eye points are on the map, which is kind of a nice thing to look at if you're just wondering, where are these eye points that I created and did I use them on this map? From here, there's a few things you can do to your maps. There's some functionality. So over on the left, you can click Edit this map, and that'll allow you to change some of the attributes about the map. From here, you can clone the map. That is to create a complete copy of the map and bring over all of the eye points. You can archive the map if you don't want to see it in this view anymore and you want to kind of hide it. You can archive it. You can download the data from the map, and you can also delete this map. Be careful when you delete because that's not the easiest thing for us to undo. So right now I'm on the table view of the map, which really just looks like a spreadsheet view. If I click on tiles, this will give me more of a thumbnail view of my map library. A lot of people may not even know that this exists, but this is here. So if you're not sure what the name of the map is that you're looking for, but you have an idea of what it looks like, then this would be a nice option to choose, and then you can click into the map that you're most interested in. From here, we can also go to the Add a Map. So this is where you can basically start a new map from scratch. So once you click on Add Map, it'll bring you to this view, and what you have here is our full set of map templates. We chose these map templates based on popularity, based on functionality, and based on flexibility. So in order to see what these map templates look like, you can just click on the little example icon, and it'll bring up a thumbnail view of the map template that you're about to choose. So you can look at things like the basic story map and give you an idea of what components are included. We've got story over process, so if you want to do like a front stage and also possibly a backstage, this would be a nice template to choose. If you want to do a story map and you would like to include some images at the top for the creative element, but you also have some data, you may choose this template. You can get for yourself some pie charts or bar graphs at the bottom. We have our story with custom background, so if you have a graphic design that you will want to import into SuiteCX and then lay your eye points on top of it, this would be the one that you would choose. We have a very simple split screen story map, which is just a very basic over-under, no creative elements included. We have one of our newest maps, which is an autograph map, and this is a map that will automatically graph the scores that you've loaded against your eye points for company or for customer. We have a process map, so this is kind of like your Visio diagram, OmniGraffle, Lucid chart view. Our executive summary map, so one of our most popular maps. This is a nice one to use all the different elements and various combinations of the different elements that we have available. And this would obviously be like a summary map to an executive. This is a grid map, so it has a similar layout as inventory. This is not inventory. You only have one inventory per project, but this is an additional grid map. So you could do all your maps in the grid style if this is the format that you like. Then we have our persona maps. So all of these templates are available. Now when you click into any one of these map templates, it'll allow you to edit and start working on the map from scratch, importing your eye points and uploading creative elements and everything else that you need to tell your story. It doesn't matter which template you choose because each of these templates are customizable. So if you choose a story over process, a map template, for example, and then you realize part of the way through that you need to bring in some graphs and you think, oh, I should have chosen story over data, no problem. You can add those graphs as an additional element to your story over process map. So don't worry about which template you choose. Just choose the one that looks the most like what you'd like to create, and then go from there, and you can always do edits after the fact. We also have a configure your own map capability here, which is for more of a power user. And then you can also import extracted maps that you may have extracted from other projects, and then you can import them into your project so that you can have the same map in your project. As usual, please reach out to us if you have any questions or if you need any help.